there's strikes galore going on in Britain. And whatever you think of them, whatever you think of the rights and wrongs of them, they are advancing the agenda of this global cult. One of them is helping to destroy the National Health Service, which is exactly what was already destroyed in reality. But I mean completely decimated, devastated. And that's what these strikes in the National Health Service are, of course, advancing. But there's also this war on transport, this war on mobility, this war on movement. And so we're having train strikes in Britain, which is doing what? It's meaning that people are working from home because they can't travel to work. And of course, if you look at the green agenda, they want to get rid of cars. And what did they do during the COVID era? What precedent was set? Working from home. And that's an example of how different aspects of the same agenda are brought about by apparently unconnected means. Good luck getting to the office. Millions face 5 days of rail strike chaos as they return to work, with 80,000 trains axed from the schedule, while road staff also stage 2-day walkout. And this is all to do with the destruction of transport, which is why the aircraft industry is being targeted.